Seam have dominated so far. Time for spin. Oh, well bowled. Drift, pitches and turn. The keeper in Rossington does the rest. Masud Rahman Mukul going upstairs to SIS Shoykot.
TV umpire to director, we have an umpire review for stumping. I've checked the feet placement, it's a fair delivery. Can I have the side on replay, please? I can see the wickets are broken as the batter is out of his ground, satisfied. My decision for the big screen is
it's in red, O-U-T. There's confirmation from the TV umpire, and Tanvir Islam has struck early. He has indeed. We talked about Seam have done so well. Spin comes into the attack straight away in the action. The second ball, little bit of turn, and Usman Khan stumped by Rossington. Superb bit of work by Rossington behind the stumps. Goes for 21, and the score now is 39 for 3.